Hello everybody, how are you? I am Noresh and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing questions. So let's get on the questions. So our today question is, where does QuickBooks get the billables, times and cost information when you invoice for time and cost from the billables cost uploaded from an Excel workbooks from the billables and times enters on the timesheets from you manually entering the lines items on the invoice from the label billables times enters on the timesheets and or billables cost entered through checks and bills. The correct answer of the question is QBooks gets the billable times and cost informations when you invoice for times and cost from the billables times enters on the timesheets and or billables cost enters through checks and bills. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.